Okay, I just took a chunk out of this hole and I just saw it slide back in. And there it is. Isn't that nice? We're back in the action. Nice. $10K. Sweet. I love finding the gold. Looks like a graduation ring. Maybe I'll be able to get it back to the person. That'd be nice. Sweet. And here's the little gold ring I found on the beach. It says Amherst Regional High School 2010. And it's got a blue stone. And it's got a girl's name on the inside of it. Sure hope she doesn't see me wearing her ring. Isn't that neat? Neat. Oh.